Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video. This is the fourth episode of the series on the 2241. As you can see, the tractor is back in the workshop. It is now on the tripod so I can work on it properly. I have already done all the orange writing, so now it's time to reassemble it. So you will see me working in different places here and there, but finally I will reassemble this little Lamborghini tractor. Come on, you are so slow. It's just 2 and 10 nuts. Hurry up, quick, grab the wrench, tighten them. Come on, maybe we got one done. Oh yes, you're moving to the second one now. Check that is secured. Great job. Now come back to me. And here we are. The tractor is finally done. Everything has been reassembled. Everything is back in its place. And now the only thing left is to start it up again to check that everything has been assembled correctly. So I will pick you up, move a little bit closer so you can see better, and we will go for the second fire up of the tractor. And of course, the first thing we need to do to start is put some diesel in the tank. Otherwise, it definitely won't work. So, a quick refill. Now I'm moving to the front side. Sometimes alarms rings. I'm moving to the pump side where I will start pressurizing the system with the hand pump. Here we go, starting with the diesel leaks. Alright, now it is fine. Let's keep pumping. Let's check that it is in neutral, insert the key and see what happens. And unfortunately, things don't always go as they should. As you can see on the wheel, there are some stains, and this is because this little oil fitting here isn't tight enough. So the tractor starts leaking oil. I will tighten it a bit, and then I will restart the tractor. These things happen, it's normal. The tractor has just been reassembled and now it is the first time it is being started up. It's normal for it to maybe leak a little oil or diesel from the various connection because everything will need to be tested and tightened again. In any way, the tractor is finished. It has started up and is running very well. Now it will definitely need to be broken to loosen up the engine a bit and to let all the rings and valves settle in properly. So I would say it is truly an excellent result. This episode ends here. I hope you subscribe to the channel and left a like. We will see you in the last episode of the series where there will be the grand reveal of this tractor, of this 2241. Ciao!